I give all the donors them thanks.
Straight.
Many thanks to all the donors. May God continue to bless you and keep you. May your store basket never empty. Long life, health and strength. Thank you very much.
Well said from my mother, you see? And she may take all of them prayer from you.
Yeah.
So me I say.
The husband and wife is SOW.
SOW.
Soul Ministry.
All the best.
Soul Ministry.
To that.
Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
Yeah, from Maryland.
Maryland.
All of the land in Maryland. You get me married, Maryland.
Yeah, it's a Maryland.
Yeah, I'll straighten that tell them.
Straight.
So we'll give thanks.
Yeah, we'll give Almighty.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Your friend Bibi there here, you know.
Yeah. Good day, man. Good afternoon. Hold on again. Hey, when you come?
She just come a while ago.
Oh.
Are you alone there?
Yeah.
Oh. Are your daddy not there neither?
No.
Okay. But them tell me say you control your donation.
Yeah. I want to go on the wallet.
She don't want a body wallet.
Oh, you don't want a body wallet?
No.
She don't want a body wallet. I mean, so. Well, I don't want to see your dad, so I have to catch him again next time.
Yeah.
When could I tell you what we really go on?
One time.
Will you lie down?
Yeah.
Sorry for wake you up. I have a donation for you.
No, that's sleep.
Oh. I have $10,000 for you. From unknown from Canada. So I make little count it for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Little count that.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And that's
Thank you, unknown. Many blessings, many thanks for Sudin.
Yeah,
Many grateful.
Thanks.
yeah, so
Thanks, unknown. Please, thanks. Give thanks.
yeah.
Give thanks, unknown.
Yeah.
For the lady, for the 2 million.
Yeah, your daddy. We have to catch him back another time again. So tell him say me that look fine, yeah?
You want thanks.
And go on.
Unknown.
Yeah, unknown. So you can go back and lie down,
You
yeah?
want thanks. Give
Alright then.
thanks.
Alright.
I will go one baby, I'll go one baby.
Every day I'm friend.
Good do.
Yeah, man.
Be a big friend.
It won't be a long time.
Long time.
Long time.
Where mommy she go on road?
This was so that no.
No, she that town.
I was on a yard.
Okay.
This is cheap.
Okay. But you're feeling alright though?
Much better. I'm going to go church.
You go church?
11th Street. 11th Street.
Yeah, 11th Street?
Revival Church.
Okay, that's good. You praying for me?
Everybody.
Alright. Sudin with a bright smile. Alright then, take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yes, Sudin.
Big thanks to you.
One thing. I was in a nice shop. Oh, sorry.
Well, them at the dream team.
One team. Yes, birthday.
Happy birthday.
What's up, nigga? Here, recognizing danger.
Good day, good day, good day. Mother Earth. that Ali that say Mother Earth. How you doing?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. I go and chill out.
Mother
How was your session?
Well, it was alright. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sorry I couldn't get to be there. I was kind of busy on the road.
Yeah.
But I heard you have a lovely session. Yeah. You looking forward again tomorrow?
Yes.
Definitely. Yeah, it was good. Yeah. And the anthem kind of get better now, not too much shaking. At work. I'm bring some grocery for you.
This is a grocery.
From Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
From Maryland.
Maryland. Soul Ministry from Maryland. Give you a grocery. So when I say, so we are big them up. Soul Ministry from Maryland. Many thanks my mother say, you know. She's grateful for it because she eat a lot now. We cut her down on certain food, you see, like the rice and you see me I say so. Little brown bread that she would have liked. She loved them brown bread thing, you see.
Yeah.
So ministry from Maryland.
Yeah.
May the Lord continue guide and protect you, and may your food basket never empty. Peace and love we say, because we out here still do the good work. So we want to keep safe, same way. So when I say, so my mother grateful for the grocery.
Yeah.
Mother,
Many thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks to you all.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
SOW Soul Ministry from Maryland.
SOW from Ministry from Maryland.
Maryland, so we give thanks to them, you know. And we also have a donation for you as well to Mr. Sir. So we make add account it. We have 6,500 from Michael from the US. So that's 6,500 from Michael.
6,500 from Michael from the US.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Michael from the US, many blessings from my mother. You see me I say, may your food basket never empty. May the Lord guide and protect you same way, straight.
They're going out and they're coming in.
Definitely.
And we have $5,000 from Pine. And he's also a man in the wheelchair as well too. So
Pine?
Yeah, Pine in the wheelchair from Canada. $5,000 from Pine.
Pine in the wheelchair from Canada.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself in a Pine in the wheelchair from Canada. And may your food basket never
May
empty.
God ever bless you, sir. We are the same. You in a wheelchair, I am in one, but I will be praying for you.
Straight.
God bless you, God. God bless you.
So give thanks Pine from
Give
Canada.
thanks Pine
From Canada.
from Canada in a wheelchair. Big up yourself in the straight.
So
See me I say.
blessings. And we also have $5,000 for you, Mr. Sir, from J. Dell from Canada. 5,000 from J. Dell from Canada.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5,000 from JDL from Canada. Big up yourself in a JDL from Canada. And may the Lord continue guide and protect you, and may your food basket never empty.
I give all the donors them thanks.
Straight.
Many thanks to all the donors. May God continue to bless you and keep you. May your store basket never empty. Long life, health and strength. Thank you very much.
Amen.
Well said from my mother, you see. And she may take all of them prayer from me.
Yeah.
See me I say, that's why it keep me and move me and motivate me around the team. Around the good team. You see me I say, like what Scanner, that's a life team. You see me I say, one team, you know. You see, and the dream team. So we have to do the good work, so the donors them, guide and protect you. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May the Lord lift up his countenance upon you and leave you his peace. You see me I say, blessed.
Yes. Alright, then take care, Mr. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Until then, so get ready for your next session.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
This is tomorrow. Ready for tomorrow.
Alright then.
Patient, very starting.
Yeah, you have to wear the stop out in stocking.
Right, Mrs. Barry. Yeah. I bring a bag of grocery for you from Soul Ministry from Maryland.
Yeah.
So this is Wow Chef sister. She represent for Wow Chef, got Wow Chef in the kitchen. You know, so people look at Wow Chef sister. This is our resemblance.
Well, give God thanks, yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's from Soul Ministry, so you can tell.
Soul Ministry.
From Maryland.
Yeah, thank you very much for this, sir.
Oh gosh, you can't manage.
No, ma'am, I just have to sit right here, so
Alright, yeah, Miss Marley? Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem. God bless you.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. Give God thanks all the time.
Yeah. I think you're shy. You're not shy.
You can't shy.
You can't shy. Alright, I want to come out. So I tell the Wow Chef said I need to come on here anymore. You represent because you're not shy.
Alright.
Team stay at the kitchen.
Yeah.
Alright then, take care.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Alright, Miss Valerie.
Scan them up. Philip.
Yeah.
Here, scanner, say my doctor to finish.
Scanner. Yes, sir, you're the doctor? Alright.
You run water.
Yeah, man, we have care.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Philip.
I take care of sick man, mommy, right?
See?
Yeah.
So you take care of sick man.
Yeah.
Judge, look at that. Philip, you say you have a doctor scanner.
Yeah, no more time, huh?
Yeah.
Tell me I'm helping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Each one help one.
Yeah.
See him with.
Come on, time buy breakfast, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, me have the money.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll buy breakfast, man.
Sure.
I'm boiled tea for me and
Yeah.
Yeah.
So see him still man. Each one help one, each one teach one. Right here,
That
scanner.
look good.
Up and running.
buy food for me and my evening time.
Yeah.
Alright, that's
Care, my man. Not be care.
Straight.
Alright, scanner is a blessing.
Yeah, man,
right.
scanner.
Yeah. Although, we kind of half the way. I'm not really full the way.
Yeah.
But we still have to show goodness.
Yeah.
So much percentage there now? Because you got told what you
100 and peace.
100 piece.
Yeah, man.
So you're good then, man.
Yeah, man.
You're gone, man. You're gone clear. Clear. So,
She deal me in my house. A little kick off the door like that.
Get me ready to go work and from myself and go.
Look around there, kick off the door like Jackie Chan and take it and call Babylon. And she soon have dead man. And then can go to hospital.
yes, sir.
You don't care, go?
Low hospital. Yeah, man. God, I've seen up in me.
Alright, scanner. So we bring 2 bar grocery. One for you and one for Philip. Because now we're helping each other, so each one gets something. So there's a bag of grocery there for you, Philip.
Thank you, sir. Many thanks.
Yeah, and scanner. So this is your one as well too.
Scanner, see your one, yeah?
Yeah, rest it. You have to go rest it down in the field.
See your one, scanner.
We do up your whole house.
You can stay so till liquor come.
Liquor come, because liquor not around.
Yeah.
Make your one stay.
Alright man, you also
When
look.
10 o'clock in the night, she come.
Yeah.
She gone a young trip.
Young tree.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so the person who contribute the grocery, the husband and wife, is SOW.
Like it. SOW.
Soul Ministry.
All the best.
Soul
to
Ministry.
The world. To Dada.
Yes, a Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry. All the
Yeah,
best.
from Maryland.
Maryland.
All off the land, Maryland. You get me Maryland.
Yeah, it's a Maryland.
Yeah, I'll straight now tell them.
Straight.
So we give thanks.
Yeah, we'll give Almighty great power.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's gratitude, you know. Philip.
Yeah.
So the person who contribute the grocery is Soul Ministry from Maryland.
Tell them many thanks, yeah?
Yeah, well, you know they must say. So once you say it, they might hear it.
Yeah, tell them so many times.
Right now, they might hear and see it.
And then what about respect?
Yeah.
Can we well in need of it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we give thanks every time. So blessings and give thanks to SOW Ministry from Maryland for the groceries for the needy. Which one of the food? Oh, okay.
My left foot, I get firm now.
You see my exercise, I'm telling you to exercise.
Well, one foot on the left
You
foot.
know, then if you just daily, like if you sit on your stairs, so. And stretch
I
it
must
out,
teach you to
so.
exercise myself.
No, when
I'm a teacher for
When
exercise.
I'm by the grill, I go by my left foot. I'm going and cover.
Yeah. Big strength. So you have oats in the bag there. So just mix up some oats, you know?
Yeah, man.
Drink.
I
Yeah.
really man drink oats, man.
Yeah.
So I go by the oats, man, and mix it and man drink it.
See him where you like how him there on the sick and real group. See him say you have a real group and the two of them, I go see the two of them on the street.
Alright, then give thanks. Yeah, Philip?
Philip, alright.
Yeah, man. It's kind of later.
All the best.
Yeah, man. Wish you all the best.
Maryland,
Yeah,
real life land.
real life land.
Respect, yeah, man, Dan.
Yeah, man.
What
give
my
thanks.
respect?
Yeah, man. Give thanks. Blessings, SOW Ministry from Maryland for the grocery. One of the elderlies that's needed. Governor, in general. Yeah. How you doing?
Not too bad. Thank God for life.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to see the funny one.
Bring a bag of grocery for you.
Right. Come receive.
Bring a bag of grocery for you from Soul Ministry from Maryland. So you can understand them, thanks.
Thanks a lot to the bag of grocery. I hope you're blessing me when safe and
Yeah.
God provide for you, man, and protect you. And safe, and keep good till I see you again, man.
Alright then, give thanks.
Yeah,
I'm gonna ask also $5,000 for your Gloria from Stacy. From it. Yeah, so over now the husband there, so that's $5,000 from Stacy. Yeah.
Kino, good work, yeah. Keep it up here, sir. Make sure I go with you.
Yeah.
Take me whatever. Safe travel back.
Alright then, give thanks, yeah? Alright then. Gloria?
Yeah.
Alright, alright? Next time.
Alright.
We have natural. So this is Joe Barker, aka Killer Whale. Cause I know him have a friend named Toto, born and grown in TrenchTown from 2nd Street. And she live overseas, so a good friend of Joe Barker, so just kind of send a donation to us what we can do with inside here.
Yeah.
You know, you can get some paint or you can buy him a bed.
Yeah.
As we can see, because she get him a TV.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
So the TV where we get.
Yeah, the cable for running.
Yeah, so we get the clean team ladies, them come do the cleaning up, see them here.
Yeah.
And so you can get space so we can see what can be done.
Alright, so we want a piece of wall for dress off and thing.
The wall I want for dress off.
Yeah, we can just dress a piece of wall look and fix up and give them a proper look.
Yeah.
Take care of some look of patch on myself. Give them all a different fixture, make them look at a
Different look.
Yeah. See them. Take care of some look at etc.
So you need Solitex? If you need Solitex?
Because I'm old, you know,
Let me have the long time ones too.
Yeah, this money are really asbestos, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, the money, I'm going to take them on this struggle, I'm going to take them on this struggle.
Okay.
I'm going to take them as really still.
Yeah. So you can work with.
Yeah, man.
Can work with.
So, here's some numbers, it's the window there. But I remodel it when they put in a different fixtures and make it look now and take on a piece of pliers.
Pliers, yeah.
Patch out all them look a place and look
Yeah.
more somewhere. Like
Yeah. If you have a more comfortable look.
Yeah, because this is
you can have a comfortable.
It's a look better. It's the original thing, but so many years it deteriorated.
Yeah.
I look better face look.
Viewers, so you see Natural is here looking at his first mission. You know, we have Barger still up and about. So we have the clean team ladies, they want to come do little cleaning work and make little space in here so you can like. So Natural can see what kind of work can be done as we just explain. You know, as I said, Natural is willing to volunteer to give us a little strength in the community that could give back what's been going on. And Toto from 2nd Street living in the US now, you know, is a good friend of Killer Whale, aka Joe Barker. You know, a man born and grew in TrenchTown. He's not here at the minute.
Yeah.
You know, so
we have the access to the home.
Yeah, so we have the access to the home, so we just make our way in.
Yeah.
So she kind of send a little support where we can at least try to make hands meet together and make him have a little good comfortable thing. So we can see what can go on from there. Right, Natural?
Yeah.
So it's a quicker. Yeah. So the clean team is a quick thing for you.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. Yeah. You know, so we might need piece of loom.
And you can get some squash cut back.
Yeah, I don't know in Natural.
I know some me organize the work and fix it, but I don't know when you get the tear down back.
What that?
Electrical work, I mean electrical work decent, I don't know in this.
Yeah.
So, anyway, still.
That quick and fast thing still.
So, I don't know. Just want to put the time in place and organize everything as a swift and fast.
Yeah.
2 days and 1 day thing.
Yeah.
And we can come out.
Yeah.
So, until we want to stay in here for the whole day and live like that.
No.
Natural.
Yeah.
Natural and the clean team is all natural.
Natural. Them say we never come near Natural called Jella. Yeah, vex that?
Oh, yeah, call me name for me.
Alright, big up Milo.
Yeah.
Milo.
Yeah.
Milo.
It's a Jella, big up Milo.
Goes out here.
Milo and condensed milk together, you know.
Yeah.
What a lovely mix.
Back in the 70s, I looked at your bed, you have to drink Ovaltine and Milo.
Wow.
Yeah. So Jella have Milo already, and she's the condensed milk, you know.
Wow.
So it's
combination to sweet
flavor.
Yeah.
And baby had the water.
The weight is the art, the weight of the artist, their stomach.
Yeah.
I mean, the container, you are Esther, you had the cup.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cup holder. Alright then, this is all natural, so
Yeah.
it's a good look.
Yeah, man.
So I can go and give thanks. Tutu, big up yourself, Tutu.
Yeah.
You know, thanks for the support.
Yeah.
I'll go try our best
Every
and
time,
see what we can do.
and subscribers, big up yourself.
Natural in the
Natural
house.
all the way. Alright.
So when you say natural all the way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I need a black.
And the package. Me black it up. Just like that thing. Killer we don't let females lock up in, so I'm not telling you almost like a joke thing. I'm not pass and lock.
Man no say nobody not going there.
I'm not going to kill them.
Not nice, dude. Yeah, good type.
Look at boy, Nana. Take it from her, son. Jackie, look at boy, Alright, Jella and Sam. Go now, so I can't talk to Jella for leave my youth alone.
Yeah.
Tell Jella to leave my child alone. Jella, give me youth him someone. Jella. Mommy. Jella. No, you can't wear it. Give him some. Give me. Give me now. Come. Hey!
No violence.
Lucky I need savior. Lucky I need savior for Sam's and Kino. Give one up. Give him some that could go down the Jella. Stop. Don't forget one. I can't.
Whoa.
Yeah, whoa, brother. Whoa.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Menu today.
Yeah, man.
Menu today.
The brown stew chicken, huh?
Brown stew chicken.
Yeah, man.
Stacy from the UK.
Stacy from the UK?
Yeah.
Stacy from the UK. Yeah, man, I eat, man. See that? I'm going to Stacy, I eat on Stacy.
What we should have cut up what? Okra.
Man, yeah, man. I cook fish. Yeah, man, see the Stacy. I'll show you how I'm going. Yeah, man, because there's red, gold and green, you know. Yeah, man, for the swim around, man. Red, gold and green, Stacy from the UK. No flavor, only for respect, you know. Yeah, man. GMT, I love how you take care of me. Yeah. It's in a regular donor, you know, Stacy. Keep it going, you know. Yeah, man, for real. It's in always keep it going.
Always.
See the type of stew we cook, yeah. Oh, look, man, when you pull pot, you can smell it. Yeah, man. You see? Brown stew with, you know, with the carrot, Irish. You see? With the green beans tonight.
Green beans, you want to put green peas tonight?
Yeah, man, see there?
And the carrot.
See there?
Oh.
See them there?
Add little green to it.
Yeah, add little green to it, you know? See them there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's bad, man.
Creative,
bad.
boy, when I creative.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Brown stew with green peas.
Yeah, man. You know, so we have a creative because we are Jamaican, you know.
Yeah.
You know, that's the right spice. The right spice, see that? See that, watch that look.
Steam.
Nice, you know? Whoa. See that? A whole of pepper and night, so. Have all the little spice where you want. Okay, what's the gravy? Like, look at you, man. Yeah.
The magical and the
Whoa, in the kitchen, you know? Look, rice, you know? The rice,
yeah. 2 pot of rice.
Yeah, rice and steam, you know?
One and steam and one cook already.
Yeah, one up, see that?
One and steam and one cook already.
Yeah. Let me not talk about it. But
Stacy from the UK.
Stacy from the UK. From the UK, boy, Stacy. Give thanks.
That mean repeatedly over and over keep on supporting the team, you know.
See that's the rice there. This is a good girl. Yeah, man.
Jeez. One big pot of rice.
Now my next little pot on the side I go on.
Yeah, I realize.
Yeah, girl.
Extra rice.
Extra rice, I call it.
Extra amount. Big up yourself, Stacey, from the UK for providing the dream team meal.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Stacey from the UK, man. Right, man. Because you keep eating food, you know. You see, now food is the staff of life. Yeah. You see, so anybody who have feed, you have to give thanks.
Of course.
You see, because you feed every day for company road again. You see, for do the charity work.
Yeah.
You see, so we have to give thanks.
No, so we eat a meal when we eat when we reach at home.
Yeah. So when I go home, I eat. And a dream team kitchen, I eat.
I can't tell when last I cook at home.
Tell when last I cook a pot of food over here. And that's my mother said, cook some food for me, my son. Just wiggle up some food.
Yes.
And ears, I can't munch. I can't munch.
Holy per month, man.
You see, so you munch with your ear now with a gas there. You hear nothing now going over stuff. You have every cooking going. So I have some, I'm a shop. You have some to eat. Straight, day by day. See, I must have put a Sunday over my yard because I cook breakfast for my family. But a dream team. You see, now one team.
A dream team.
You see, give thanks for life. Give thanks for all I do on them. You see, I appreciate love on them all time. You see, from the bottom of my heart, I give thanks.
Every time. The roast if they are scale up the slice fish.
The slice fish show, you know. Yeah, man, Stacey, man, I know get some slice fish line up. Line up and season up and them things. Slice fish, you know. You see what I said? Yeah, man, get some slice fish season up right now. You see what I said? Yeah, man, Stacey from the UK.
The okra and the thing on it.
Yeah, cut up my okra, look at things on it. You go and soak down in it, you know? See there? The Maggie season up and the spice tonight. Yeah, man, you see, look at star, and I told you a while ago, Stacey, you see, look at star in my blink out tonight. Yeah, man, I hate to be the star power in it, man, check. The star of light. Yeah, man, Stacey from the UK, you know? Yeah, because I'm not use the salt, because I don't have the salt already. I'm not putting it down, I'm just use a liquid. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I've done it, man, Stacey in the UK, man, the proper thing I go with it, you know?
Well, baby.
You look at my spikes tonight.
Yeah, so the Italian spikes.
Look at that pasta on the side. Yeah, man. From the UK.
Alright, then give thanks.
Give thanks. This from the UK. Enough love. Only love and respect. Yeah, man. Keep recording, you know. You see, day by day. You see, if you don't do it all the while, the name there. So you don't know. Blessed loves this.
Alright, give thanks.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.